Hi everyone, here is Typus. We've recently updated the front-end interface for withdrawals, making the withdrawal process and interface more streamlined. First, navigate to our portfolio page, scroll down, and select the product you've deposited in. Click on Manage. Then go to the Withdraw page. Simply enter the amount you want to withdraw, and click Withdraw. And that's it. Then you'll need to wait until the end of the cycle before you can come back to claim. Now that the time has come, we can proceed with the withdrawal. Here you can see the amount available for withdrawal. Simply enter the amount you want to withdraw. Click Withdraw. Sign the transaction to complete the withdrawal. The above steps complete the full withdrawal process.